He does everything from His nature. Lahat ng ginagawa ng Diyos ay galing sa Kanyang kalikasan na Siya ay pag-ibig. Kaya hindi mo kailangang puwersahin, hindi mo kailangang pilitin ng Diyos na iligtas ka. Ililigtas at ililigtas at ililigtas ka ng Diyos. God will always seek to save you. And He has already sent His Son Jesus to seek and to save that which was lost. Jesus Christ came as our greatest physician, and He came for us who are sick, who are wounded, and who are broken. All you need to do, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is reciprocate. Gantihan ng pagtanggap, gantihan ng pananampalataya, ang pagliligtas ng ating Panginoon. Sa gabing ito, ikaw ay ililigtas ng Diyos. Ikaw ay tatanggapin ng ating Panginoon.